May kakilala ka ba or ikaw mismo may scoliosis? Alam mo ba na dahil sa scoliosis mo, pwede kang kumuha ng PWD-ID? PWD-ID dahil scoliosis is considered a physical disability under the law and you are entitled to it. So ano yung mga gagawin mo para makakuha ka ng PWD-ID? Una sa lahat, pumunta ka sa rural health unit ninyo. It would be prudent for you to get your x-ray para mapakita sa doctor ninyo na talagang may scoliosis kayo. Pero kung wala naman, tanungin nyo na lang if they will require an x-ray or just a physical examination. So, after ma-certify ng doctor ninyo na you really have a scoliosis, punta kayo sa municipal or city social welfare office para mag-apply for PWD-ID. You just have to get your 2x2 picture, your medical certificate, your valid ID, para doon may pakita na nag-apply talaga kayo for PWD-ID. And after a few minutes, mag-fill up lang kayo ng form na papafill upan sa inyo. Madali lang naman yun. And after that, you'll just gonna have to wait for your PWD-ID. It's either within the same day or a few days. Dun sa akin kasi, magaling sila kasi mabilis yung pag-process nila. So, nakuha ka within the day. And just a message for the people na may scoliosis just like me, you don't have to be shy or feeling unworthy na mag-apply ng PWD-ID because our pain, our condition is valid and we deserve support. So, aside from having discounts sa mga restaurants and sa mga establishments sa gamot, ganyan, PhilHealth also has released statement na pati yung mga treatment natin, pati yung therapy sessions and surgery, ganyan, assessment ng mga scoliotic patients ay covered na rin ng PhilHealth. So, napakalaking tulong para sa atin. I am Attorney Dana and I'm using this platform to inform you of your rights. So, follow me for more.